Something strange happens in your body after age 40. You start to feel slower. Recovery takes longer. Workouts don't hit the same. You might even notice you're holding on to fat a little more easily and losing muscle without even trying. But the truth is, what's really changing isn't just your metabolism or hormones. It's happening at a cellular level, where your body's energy system starts to run less efficiently. Now, here's the good part. Scientists have discovered one powerful way to push back, one specific type of training that doesn't just keep you fit. It actually reverses many signs of aging from the inside out. Most people ignore it. Many don't even know it exists. We'll get there in a minute. But first, let's look at what aging actually does to your body. Aging isn't just about wrinkles or gray hair. Biologically, it's a gradual breakdown in your cellular performance. Here's what happens. 1. Your mitochondria, the tiny engines in your cells that power everything, start to underperform. 2. Your muscles lose size and strength unless you actively train them. 3. Hormones like testosterone and growth hormone drop, affecting energy, fat storage, and muscle maintenance. 4. Your cardiovascular system becomes less efficient. 5. Inflammation increases, raising the risk of disease and chronic fatigue. So what you're feeling isn't just getting older, it's your body losing its ability to adapt and recover. That's where exercise comes in, but not just any kind. People often assume that jogging, walking, or basic gym routines are enough to stay young. And while movement is always better than sitting still, the wrong approach might not do much for real anti-aging effects. Long, steady-state cardio burns calories, but it doesn't stimulate your mitochondria much. Basic resistance training is good for strength, but doesn't elevate your internal repair systems the same way. This is why researchers started asking, what kind of movement can actually turn back biological aging? One study published in Cell Metabolism uncovered a clear answer. They compared 3 groups, one doing resistance training, one doing moderate cardio, and one doing short bursts of intense effort followed by rest. Only one group saw dramatic changes in mitochondrial function, gene expression, and cellular energy output. That group was doing something called high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. Now, why is high-intensity interval training is so powerful according to science? When you train with intervals of high intensity followed by brief recovery periods, you force your body to operate at maximum output, and your cells respond in a big way. Mitochondrial production skyrockets, giving your body more energy on a cellular level. Your body releases growth hormone, which helps preserve lean muscle and keeps your metabolism sharp. It reduces insulin resistance, helping regulate blood sugar and cut down inflammation. It increases brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which helps your brain grow, adapt, and stay sharp as you age. This means HIIT doesn't just build fitness. It helps your cells behave like they did 10 or 20 years ago. But why don't more people do it? It's because high-intensity interval training is misunderstood. The name sounds intense, like you need to sprint until you collapse. But in reality, intensity is relative. You're pushing hard for your level of fitness, not someone else's. For some, that's a bike sprint. For others, it's a fast walk uphill. The point is to challenge your body, rest briefly, and repeat. It doesn't take long. In fact, HIIT sessions typically last 15 to 20 minutes, and they outperform longer workouts when it comes to anti-aging effects. Yet many programs still focus on either heavy lifting or steady cardio, ignoring this potent in-between zone that actually regenerates your cells. Now this takes us to the next point, how to start using high-intensity interval training without burning out. You don't need to be an athlete to benefit from HIIT. Here's a simple protocol to try. 1. Start with a 5-minute warm-up. Walk, stretch, get your blood moving. 2. Then do 30 seconds of high-effort movement. This could be fast walking, jump squats, burpees, or biking. 3. Follow that with 90 seconds of easy recovery, slow movement, deep breaths. 4. Repeat this cycle for 15 minutes. 5. End with a 3 to 5 minute cool down and stretch. That's it. You've just activated your mitochondria, stimulated growth hormones, and given your body the exact challenge it needs to age slower, not faster. You don't need fancy supplements. You don't need to train for hours. You just need to create the right kind of stress, the kind that wakes up your cells and forces them to regenerate stronger. That's what HIIT does. And that's why scientists are calling it one of the most powerful anti-aging tools we have today. It builds strength. It supports brain health. It keeps your metabolism fast, your energy high, and your body lean, even as you age. If you enjoyed today's video, tap that like button, share it with someone who could benefit. Thanks for watching.